From cold chain transit to global adventure, we never cease perfecting strong, lightweight engineering. Based in Hubei, China, Richome Vehicle spans a 30,000 square meter smart facility. By 20 years of mastery, our high-performance panels empowered next-generation vehicle body. Every high-performance panel originates from custom-engineered solutions. The crafting of each high-performance composite panel rests on rigorous precision. The delivery of every high-performance panel relies on rigorous quality control and large-scale smart manufacturing. Operating at an efficient capacity of over 1.73 million square meters annually, with industrial-grade warehousing and logistics, ensure every panel is delivered intact worldwide. From the shop floor to the global market, Richome Vehicle doesn't just manufacture icons house. We are committed to building Lila Composite solutions.